actually before this, you got the Bond, which is
The
how you
Bond.
control our fans and our lights.
All of our
right?
ceiling fans, yes.
Yeah.
And so the nice thing about the Bond is if you got ceiling fans that have a remote control, they work off like a radio frequency. The Bond can learn the radio frequencies, and you'll set it up in the app. And the app was pretty easy. I had a little bit of difficulties, and there's 2 apps now. There's a newer one, and the newer one seems to be a little better. But anything that has like a radio frequency type of controller, like they say they control fireplaces, electric fireplaces, ACs, of course the fans, and then they say blinds too, smart blinds. So the only thing I've done though is the smart fans, and I've got Hunter. I think they're Hunter fans, and you know they're 3-speed fans, low, medium, high, off, and then the lights toggle on, off. And so the nice thing about the new app is it actually remembers the state of the light, whether the light is on or off. But if you're doing that, you don't want to use your remote control anymore, because it doesn't. The Bond is just assuming that you're using the app only. So that's one thing that we have some issues with. But other than that, for $100, we paid $100 for that. And when I originally bought it, I think it says it'll control up to 6 devices, which we have 3 fans right now. So if we did get any more remote control fans in the future, we could do 3 more. But I've read recently, which I'll have to research it more, that they can control actually up to 30 devices now. So if you had a bunch of fans or whatever, like I said, a radio frequency remote, it'll learn those. So that's actually for $100, that's a good deal, and it works really good. Sometimes I have some issues with Amazon speaking to the Echo device, but I think that's mostly with how I name the things. Like I'll have family room fan, family room light, and I think sometimes she gets confused, and because maybe the words are too close. So that's something I'll have to play around with more. But for turning them on and off, I mean, it works really good.
Yeah, and that's one thing we haven't mentioned is we will put, I'm actually in an Amazon affiliate through my Teacher Mom Talks account, so we will put links for all of these devices below so you can get right to them and you can find them. As an Amazon affiliate, I earn from qualifying purchases. That is the official line there, just so you know, but it will make it easy for you to find these devices, and we do appreciate if you do support what we're doing here by purchasing through that link.